name's Italia. I work from home, so getting an AC system was crucial for my comfort, and I called up Fuse to get some AC installed. So it works wonderful. All I have to do is grab my phone, go to the Home Nest app, and it works. It's like magic. The system prior to this installation was non-existent. I remember grabbing a couple of those AC boxes and putting them in my room, but then that was the only area that was cool in my house. Yes, the house has gotten a lot quieter. As I mentioned, I had a box AC in my window, and that was ridiculously loud, and now we have this really quiet system. That's awesome. So the AC is currently running. I'm not sure if the audio will be caught on the camera, but it's just ridiculously quiet. Absolutely. I love that I can just control it from my phone. I use my phone for everything, and now I can use it to control my AC, and I am absolutely satisfied. I haven't experienced any difficulties yet. It's been pretty simple using my phone and setting it to the temperature that I desire. I believe it lasted about 3 days, possibly 5. Yes, I did. I loved it. Yes, they did, and they were very detailed. What I liked most was just how quiet it was overall. I thought because the AC was going to be installed all throughout my house, that there'd be a mess and that it'd be very loud, and that would be a problem for me if I'm working from home. But it was relatively quiet, and I felt very unbothered throughout the process. Well, they were one of the first that came up when I did a Google Maps search, and they had really good ratings, so I thought I should trust them with my home. I think they've got a great system down. They're very organized. They know how to leave after installation and leave everything just how they found it. It is running, yes. I can hear a fan kind of going, but it's not ridiculously loud. It's just a normal noise level.
This is how the quiet condenser is.